Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new little co-star. Her name is Melody. She was born on May 30th. I don't know what that was. She was born on May 30th, and I know that I have posted 6 videos on this channel that have been for her nursery. So 5 paintings and 2 lamps. Or well, I did 2 lamps, and a lamp video. So if you guys are interested or missed any of those, I'll put links to them in the description box below. And in this video, I'm just going to show you some pictures of her nursery as well as some pictures of her that we took. So I hope you guys like this little sneak peek into our first month together. And don't forget to click subscribe, see all my future videos as well. So here's our nursery. As you can see, I have the 5 paintings set up, like I said, with the hoofstock on the either side of the elephant, and then felines above and below, the lamps, and her little canopy with her crib. This is actually our first little family photo. I thought I'd share that too. This was taken while we were still in the hospital. She's, I think, about 24 hours old right there. And then, yeah, so here's one. This is probably one of my favorite photos of us that we took. All these photos were taken either by myself, my husband, or my mother. If we're both in it, then she had to kind of intervene. But we've been taking some fun photos together, and we're just, yeah, kind of getting used to the new normal, I suppose you could say. And so that's one of just me and her. This one actually, all of the stuff except for Melody and the quilt is all drawn. I did some little digital drawing, so that was kind of fun. But yeah, so we're just kind of getting used to it. I started the painting the week before she was born, and I finished it afterwards, and I've done some other painting stuff since she was born. So it seems like I can do that a little easier if you guys are familiar with my nail channel. That I'm still kind of working out how to work that in, but painting and doing this art stuff I can work in when she's sleeping, so it seems to be a little easier. I've done a few art projects, paintings and things since she's been born, so you guys will be seeing those videos pretty soon. But yeah, she's been pretty good. She's getting used to her new sleeping schedule. We're all figuring it out, and it's been a pretty wonderful first month together, if I do say so myself. So I hope you guys like all these little photos of her. We're still in the process of taking some. There will be some more that we're taking, and as I take them, I'll be posting them here and there on Instagram. So if you guys like looking at these little pictures of her, if you guys like seeing her, then look at that, check that out, because like I said, I'll be posting some more there as I take them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!